I am now. Smallie.
Using a hook bigger than this?
Yeah. Nice. First bass on a Ned rig. Little smallmouth. I'm using an EWG hook though, so it's beautiful. Throw him back. He cast too. Oh, I got one. Oh, I think I snagged. What? Are you mimicking me?
What?
Are you making fun of me?
You show me your silver signs?
It's a little largemouth. I literally watched this guy eat it.
It's a largemouth?
Yeah. In like an inch of water, this guy just ate
I
this.
honestly thought about using a rooster tail.
Wait, is this? Yeah, it is a largemouth.
You have any more rooster tails?
Yeah, I do.
There you go.
Here you go, bud. And there was fish with him too. That's second cast with the rooster tail. Here, watch out. I wish I would have started throwing this earlier.
Jack, what's wrong with this? Alright,
Those things cut braids really good, so I don't know what you'd have problems cutting with.
the scissors cut very good?
Yeah, they cut braid good.
Not mine.